back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make tuna salad sandwich and tuna wrap. So these are all the ingredients. So brown sugar, mayonnaise, mustard, salt and pepper to taste, paprika powder. So guys, this is a bumblebee tuna. So I'm going to use like 3 can, is 15 ounce, and this is a tortilla wrap, and this is a whole wheat bread, and lettuce, parsley, lemon, celery, salad. So I'm going to chop first salad and celery and parsley, and after that I'm going to mix. After that I'm going to mix in the bowl together with tuna. So guys, already I got vegetable, and I'm going to mix together as tuna. This is a tuna, bumblebee tuna. I just transfer from the can to bowl. So I'm going to mix together now. So this is a 1.5 stem celery and 1.5 piece salads and 3 stem chopped parsley and 5 spoon mayonnaise. 1, 2, 3. And salt, just 2 pinch. Ooh, look at that. This sea salt is very good. Ooh, only 2 pinch. And then black pepper. This is a house made fresh black pepper. Ooh, 2 pinch. Look at that, lovely. And the brown sugar, also 2 pinch. Ooh, lovely. Only 2 pinch. And mustard, just half a spoon. It's very difficult to come. Yeah, just half a spoon. And then lemon. Only half. Ooh, look at that. Squeeze on the paprika powder. Just little bit, because little mild flavor. So I'm going to mix together well. Okay guys, I mixed well already. Look at that, everything is mixed well. So I'm going to taste now. Seasoning, yeah, it's perfect. Everything, texture is good, seasoning is perfect. So this is a whole wheat bread. So I'm going to make now tuna salad with sandwich, 4 pieces bread. So guys, you can toast also with the toaster machine and in the pan also, if you like it. The bread is crunchy, and it's very easy to make, only 4 to 5 minutes, because tuna is, you can buy grocery within like $2, $3, and you just cut celery and onion, chop like 30 seconds, and you mix together, and you can carry also the workplace, whatever. It's very easy to make for the lunch, and very delicious also. So this is the lettuce. And I'm going to put tuna on the top. A little bit like a smoky flavor. Black pepper on the top. Ooh, look at that. A little bit for the flavor. Sea salt. Ooh, look at that. So now it's ready. Just put like that. Cover. And I'm going to plate. So this is a tuna salad. God, this is very thirsty. I'm going to drink. So next I'm going to make tuna wrap. So just put the lettuce here on the top. Just a little bit. And 2 teaspoons tuna. And just little bit close like that. And fold like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. After ready, cut 2 pieces. Ready. I'm so excited to taste tuna salad sandwich. So delicious. Texture is perfect. Seasoning, everything is good. Yummy. I hope you guys like it also very much. Thank you. This is ready. Tuna salad sandwich and tuna wrap. Very easy to make within like 5 minutes. Guys, thank you for watching my channel. I hope to see you guys next video. And please subscribe, like. If you have any questions,